all judges and parents.
Morning, Lord.
I'm from SMP Negeri 2 Tambang. I'm here to tell you a nice story about the legend Roro Jonggrang. This story is from an Indonesian folktale. This story takes place from Central Java. A long time ago, in the Central Java, there were two great kingdoms, Panging and Boko. Panging was ruled by a wise king, while Boko was led by a giant named Prabu Boko. Prabu Boko had a daughter named Roro Jonggrang. She was known to Godland for her beauty. One day, Prabu Boko was defeated by a warrior from Panging named Batu Bondowoso. After his victory, Batu Bondowoso fell in love with Roro Jonggrang and asked her to marry him. Roro Jonggrang didn't want to marry the man who had killed her father. To refuse him politely, she gave him an impossible condition. If you want to marry me, build me 1,000 temples in one night. Batu Bondowoso, confident in his magical powers, accepted the challenge. He summoned his supernatural beings to help him construct the temples. Sir, what is your command summoning us? Build me 1,000 temples before dawn arrives. The spirits began to construct the temples. The temples rose quickly. Roro Jonggrang began to panic as the task was nearly complete. With clever idea in mind, she and her mates lit up a big bunch of fires and pound rice to make a lot of noise. To trick the spirits, taking them down and run. The spirits fled, and only 999 temples were finished. Roro Jonggrang, I have done it! I have built 999 temples, but where is the 1,000th? Realizing he had been tricked, he was very mad at Roro Jonggrang. He cursed Roro Jonggrang, turning her into a stone. The temple is now known as Candi Roro Jonggrang. It's part of the Prambanan Temple complex. Goodbye, everybody. That is for me.
Salaman situ. Salaman.